In this video, I'm going to show you the new themes feature. I'm currently logged in as Bob the Builder, so Bob has the VividCharts Builder role. So here is just a real basic slide. I just put some charts on here, different types of charts, just to show what could be possible. We have a score chart and a list chart, a field selector with a couple fields, and a vertical bar chart. So very basic, not styled or not really prepared for anything. And then we have a second slide, which is the same vertical bar chart, just the full slide size. Now, let's say I had styled this and changed this header one way and this title one way, and then my stakeholders said, we actually need a different font, and we actually want the titles to be a little bigger, and gave me some requirements. What I would have to do today, before this release, is I would have to go out and go into each chart, and I would have to go restyle it to meet those stakeholders' requirements. But with themes, that's no longer necessary. So you will now see up in the upper left-hand corner of your editor, the themes icon. When you click on themes, as a builder, you have access to themes that have been given to you by your VividCharts admin. Now, in this case, I only have two. What I can do is, there's two things I can do with each theme that I have access to. One is I can apply the theme, and two is I can preview it. Now in preview, I'm just going to go preview this My Preferred Brand. There's some settings here that have been set up. There's some default settings typically with a theme. So we have a background color, which is this blue color. We have a primary palette, which is these three colors, and so on. Now, as a builder, I can't edit the theme. I can only apply or preview the theme. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and go back. And let's say this is the brand theme that we wanted for this product. I can go apply the theme. Now, you will be asked to confirm, and there's a good reason for that. Because if you have went and styled individual charts and different elements on the slide or within your report, when you choose the theme and say OK, it will overwrite any of those previous settings that you've had. So it will apply the theme settings to everything. I'm going to go ahead and say OK because I do need to use these brand guidelines. And now you can see that we have changed the background color, our palette or our single color for this chart changed, and some of the header things here in the list chart changed. So all that came through with theme. Now it's not pretty, but you see the possible impact of having themes set up. Now let's go to the second slide, and you'll see it applies across all slides on the report. So again, I just wanted to show you this new feature, and I think it'll save many builders a lot of time being able to just have pre-built themes that they can utilize, and it'll also help standardize reports from one builder to the next within your organization. Look forward to seeing what you guys build.